Start. The dispute relates to the claim of promotion of the petitioner on the post of lecturer in bracket history in Dayanand Inter College, which is an institution governed by the provisions of UP Intermediate Education Act, 1921 and the UP Secondary Education Service Selection Board Act and the regulations framed thereunder. Full stop. The vacancy on the post of lecturer in history came into existence on the retirement of the permanent incumbent on 30.6.1998. Full stop. The respondent number 5 is admittedly senior to the petitioner and one Shishupal Singh was also senior to the petitioner and the respondent number 5. Full stop. The respondent number 5 succeeded in completing his post-graduation in the subject of history with the declaration of his result on 8.7.1998. Full stop. The respondent number 5 was, therefore, admittedly not qualified on the first date of the year of recruitment upon the vacancy coming into existence. Full stop. The relevant date, which is admitted between the parties, would be 1.7.1998. Full stop. The management appears to have promoted Shishupal Singh, whose promotion was never approved. Full stop. The respondent number 5 claimed that he became qualified as on 1.7.1999 and since Shishupal Singh had retired, therefore, he ought to have been promoted. Full stop. The respondent number 5 had staked his claim before the district inspector of schools, which was not being considered, as a result whereof he filed writ petition number 43080 of 1999, which was disposed of on 6.10.1999 to consider his claim. Full stop. The matter was taken up by the district inspector of schools, who, wide order dated 19.8.2000, came to the conclusion that the respondent number 5 was not qualified as on the first date of the year of recruitment and hence his claim has accordingly rejected. Full stop. The order, therefore, practically went in favor of the petitioner, which was never challenged in any court of law. Full stop. Para. The said order of the district inspector of schools was not being implemented by the committee of management, as a result whereof the petitioner approached this court by filing writ petition number 28605 of 2001. Full stop, in which orders were issued on 6.8.2001 commanding the management to take a decision afresh. Full stop. The manager passed an order on 1.10.2001 rejecting the claim of the petitioner. Full stop. It is in these circumstances that the dispute came to be taken up further before the Joint Director of Education. Full stop. The petitioner filed another writ petition number 21997 of 2002, which was disposed of with a direction to decide the claim of the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly, the Joint Director of Education, being the chairman of the regional level committee, proceeded to pass the order dated 28.2.2004 and rejected the claim of the petitioner and reversed the order of the district inspector of schools passed earlier, accepting the claim of the respondent number 5. Full stop. The Joint Director of Education recorded a finding that the date of occurrence of vacancy stands shifted to 1.7.1999 on account of the circumstances indicated therein, namely that the claim of Shishupal Singh had not been recognized, and then held that the respondent number 5 was qualified on the said date and therefore deserves to be promoted. Full stop. Over.